You have to be as careful unmasking one of these cars as you are when you mask it. You want to make sure that you're pulling the tape at the right angle, that you're not getting in too big of a hurry, and you slowly, piece by piece, begin to unveil the beautiful finished product. So the Purple Sunroof Challenger is now completed. All of the paintwork is massaged to perfection, the bumblebee stripe is installed and unmasked, and it is now ready for final assembly. I really felt like now might be a good time to take a break, go out, do some paintball, and get out some frustrations, kind of let our hair down. We don't get to do that very often, and just let her rip. So I brought everybody down to my friend's place here, Springfield Auto Recyclers on 28th in Springfield, and we're gonna have a full-on, full-blooded paintball war. I'm trying to get this whole thing coordinated. I got everybody except for Darren ready to go. The one guy who whines and cries and complains that we never do anything fun.
I'm gonna have a blast out here today with these guys. You know, win or lose, we're all here to have fun, and of course, Darren didn't show up.
I try to call him up, no answer. Game 1. Try him again, game 2. I text him, I email him, I call him again. Strike 3, I'm out. I'm taking the guys and we're gonna go have some fun.
Which is fine, because I got a better teammate anyways. He's swift, small, and he's silent. And he has a cool name. His name is Hunter. He's going for Mark.
So my grandfather owns this place, and I heard that they're doing a paintball war. I've done a lot of paintball, and it's probably gonna be a lot of fun playing with all the old cars.
I'm on Mark's team. I feel okay with that. I was kind of hoping to shoot him. I'll shoot him. I'll shoot him before the day's over.
Predictions? Yeah. Tane.
My prediction? Fun.
My prediction? Sweat.
All right, ladies, listen up. I cannot emphasize enough, you guys don't take your mask off on the field. Just do it over here, because accidents do happen.
All right. Okay.
And if you guys run out of paintballs, don't forget you have a secondary. And yeah, other than that, let's have some fun.
Right through this yellow door thing. Oh, they're over there.
Yeah, I see him over there by that blue pickup.
You see, he's creeping out, he's creeping out. You're running.
Mark, he kind of looks like a tire rolling across the lot, so he'll be easy to spot.
Oh, drop, tuck, and roll. Drop, tuck, and roll.
I just did, and I killed myself.
Hey! So the guys won the first round. Basically, it was one of those things. This is the advantage to being a little kid, is I couldn't see him. He was ducked down behind some car parts. And man, out of nowhere, he jumps up and nails me. So he was supposed to shoot me one time, but he shot me 5 times. And that's why I kind of lost my cool for a minute and took off after him. Royal was nowhere to be found. The fact is, he should have had my back, and he didn't have anything. My guess is he's taking a nap.
All right, Royal. Here's your deal, buddy. Surrender or die.
I surrender. I had stopped to look at a few Chrysler bumpers, if there's one I could use. Josh snuck up on me when I wasn't paying attention. Took a header, and to stop from getting my face all scratched up, I put my hands out, gashed him up a little bit, but I'll live. I stopped to look at the bumpers. I thought I saw one for my pickup.
That's why you got shot? I got lit up on the whole right side.
Oh, wow, sorry. Oh, God.
No!
That stings.
You right, it stings. I already took my shot.
I know.
Between the protectors. Don't do it now, or that'll turn into a bloodbath.
Let the bloodbath begin.
Oh! Hurt. Oh!
You okay? Oh.
Okay, that's it, I hurt. Damn, that hurts, man.
You crazy, man?
God dang. Stupid.
Go.
I think my basic strategy is just gonna be no mercy. If I got the shot, I'm taking it. And that's just the way it's gonna be. You know, this is like a hostage situation, very similar to Nakatomi Towers. say hello to my little friend. I got a beat on him, I got a beat on him. Oh.
Hey Josh, this is what I look like.
How's that?
Hunter?
Bam, bam, bam.